a privilege to log in as an LRS staff. As an agency, we are talking to LRS staff. So as an LRS, because even it is not everybody that has the privilege to view the LRS menu. Because it is not everybody that is given the authority or is authorized to print reports or generate reports on the website. So you must be given a privilege before you should be able to do that. So for you to be able to view those menus, that means you have been given the privilege to view that menu. Do you understand? So it is only those that are given the privilege from an agency that can view the agency menu, irregardless of the fact that they work with the agency. Thank you. So is that your password complete, sir? All right, sir. So we say login. Sir, there's still something missing. Your password.
Check your phone. If you have your security code.
Enter the password again. Be sure this time around, sir. Okay. You sure? Sir, check your phone. You have your security code, sir. And check, is your email address connected? Check his 2001, 2001. That's 2001.
Let's move that one.
Which one? No, you can get the password. You know what, sir? Okay, let's try and use this.
Can
we use this?
Yes, let's try this. This is the email in your profile. Try that. He has not received his security. Yes, that's what we want to use. It doesn't have to be capital, don't worry.
No, this one is capital.
It doesn't. The email is not case sensitive, so you can enter it. You enter in your payer ID, you put the new password that you want to use there, and you put your email address there. Then you put in the security code that is sent to your phone or your email address. So this is the security code, sir. Now, you can see the security code too will not is encrypted. Now see the security code too is encrypted, so not everybody should be able to view the security code. Now, have you finished everything, sir?
Yes, sir.
Now, at this point, it clicks on login. Okay? So he wants to view his individual details. All he needs to do is just enter his payer ID, his password, and I click on login. Okay, so you can see the menu we have there is not much because these are just the details, the menu you can view as an individual. Your land use charge, if you click here, I'm paying my land use charge, all my land use charge information, which I'll be able to view them. Then view etc card, or I can also print my remittance statement, my own personal remittance statement, which comprises of whatever form of transaction I have already been doing with Lagos State. Then I can view my own personal etc card. So that means I can view my tax profile. Okay, and this our tax profile is meant to be ourselves. So these are just what you can view as an individual on the menu, logging in as an individual. Now, this is different from logging in as probably the agency you're coming in for. Now, if I have to log in as the staff of BBC, then I have more menu than this. So, I believe we've been able, sir?
Please, sorry, I don't know, sorry, time for a question to answer. Before I forget, you see, some of my clients, because the companies have been saying, can't I view our profile from the system? I said, well, you can do it, but I don't have the authority or ability to tell you how to go about it. But what you are saying now, is it possible for me? I know you have a corporate ID card. Can I use that corporate ID card as the house security code? Then view for himself and for this other player group?
No, you cannot view information, tax information on any other individual except yours. In short, you are not privileged to do that. They can only view their own tax as a new user, and also I'm able to view to us how you can log in to view your own tax profile as an individual. At the same time, I'll be able to show us how to view the agency menu which we are representing, so as to be able to print our reports and every other information we need to get as an agency. Furthermore, you will be explaining more to you on generating of reports on the same platform. So at this point, I think my humble name still remains Akin Jonathan, and thanks for giving me your attention. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Mr. I believe by now, for those of all that just visiting our website for the first time, you know what you can do with the website. The website, you know that you can download forms there. You know that you can check your details. I will call on Mr. Mei, who is going to take us through automated revenue receipt.
Once again, I want to say you are welcome to 5th edition of annual workshop on EBS-RCM for the MDAs. And I want to believe that so far we've been having a nice time, and of course a new idea are just been added to your reservoir of ideas. And I believe that by the time you are leaving this workshop for today, then you will be a point of reference as per Lagos State revenue tax related activities. So I want to take you on AIR, and the full meaning of that is automated revenue receipt, which I believe that you are familiar with in your daily transactions. And what are we talking about as regards AIR? Before now, we have a receipt that looks, almost as a normal receipt that we can obtain for any transaction that we are taking through in the bank or wherever. But now, a new features have been introduced to the AIR. And what are the new features? If you check page 15 of your manual, you will see a copy or a sample of AIR receipt that we are talking about. You see a copy of AIR that we are talking about, but before I do that, I want to follow suit as we have it on the manual. Now, we have what is called last tax paid through last tax clearance on our AIR receipt. This is an effort to ensure that we are taking a log of the tax that we have, that being paid. And in the new future, on the receipt itself, you have a particular column where you have last tax paid and last tax, clearance. And the last tax paid will actually be certified by